So finally we have reached Temgar Dam.
So it'll be like a good point to come during monsoon.
Thank you.
Tunnel in the making. The most happening place in Lavasa is this bridge.
Mango plantation.
Where is that?
Here, see these mango trees.
Oh yeah.
We've never gone on this road before. Normally we go ahead straight. So where we are going, Temghar, is actually a dam on the way to Lavasa.
Okay. What is the name of the dam?
Temghar.
Temghar.
Yeah.
So where are we riding to? We are riding to Temghar Dam.
Temghar Dam, Lavasa, Pashan.
Pashan or
Pashan nahi,
Pashan?
Panshet.
No, Panshet.
So we are currently on Siagat Road right now. Now we'll reach Khadakvasla Dam and we'll go to the other side of the dam.
First is Temghar Dam and then it will be Lavasa, right?
Yeah.
But if you go from Paud, it will be first Lavasa and then Temghar
No.
Dam. Same route.
Same. We're going to touch eventually the same route which comes from Paud.
Okay.
Just 30-40 kilometers we're going to go from here. It's like a narrow. Actually, I also don't know what kind of road it is. We'll figure it out now.
But I think
it's
another
not something which is recommended by Google. Google shows that route. I had to actually put a stop in between to be routed from here. So either the road is bad or it's not preferred or God knows. I am even doubtful whether that area is allowed because it's NDA. But we'll find out. Since we just need to ride, we can go any road. This is Tanaji Malusare Road.
this one. This is Nanded city now on the right side. Yeah, this is Nanded city. Yes. I think a little ahead we'll see Khadakvasla Dam on the right hand side.
Correct.
Correct? Acha, we're taking this right. Look at the dog.
Hello. Scary dog.
Handsome boy, he was scared of us. Residential area, this is.
The main road say as in you have to go ahead and take a turn, but Google is taking us through a shortcut, which happens to be a residential. Oh, big temple.
Very big temple.
It's rare to see such detailed artwork in the modern temples.
Yeah.
Why are you scared, boy?
Boy scared of mama.
I think this will be a canal. Canal. No, I was wrong.
Yeah, I think there is water. Oh, there.
I don't
No, there is no water. There is water. This one will have water. Oh no, there's nothing here.
The main Khadakvasla, see that wall?
Okay.
The dam is here behind, on your left. I think it's going to be like this road throughout. But at least we're out of city limits. So it will be village traffic, hopefully. You see this wall? There's a wall above.
Yeah, the big one, na?
See, there's a walkway also. So behind that is Khadakvasla water reservoir.
Okay.
That's what we have never come on this road. We have always gone straight when
The main
Khadakvasla comes on the right. This we are going on the other side.
Backside actually.
You feeling cold?
No, I'm not very good. See here, you can see that wall clearly.
What is this, railway crossing?
No crossing, it's just a bridge. This should have water at least.
See that release point. No water.
Okay, now it's all dry.
I think they release water from there. Kadakosla.
Yeah, it's little
This
water.
will be like a good point to come during monsoon. Where
People are bathing and washing clothes. Nice road, I like the vibe. Small road with trees around.
groundwater will be full nice level pe yahan pe because of the dam.
Yeah.
SH115
What is
Maharashtra
that?
State Highway 115.
Okay.
Hey, I think hopefully we'll see the reservoir from top. We have crossed the
I can
Main gate.
see water. No, that's not water. That's sky. I can see no, that is fog.
oh riders. Today is Valentine's Day. Jay, happy Valentine's Day.
Hey, same to you, Anush. So you will see all young couples.
That's what I saw the couple, then it clicked.
They are in cloud nine today.
They fenced everything.
Yeah, people must be getting in and doing all nonsense, swimming and all that.
Yeah, fence also broken.
Yeah, this is so nice to see the dam from this side. We usually see from the road side, na? The opposite side.
Right.
And there are so many shops and also that natural beauty is not there. It's like a commercial park or something.
This looks like a regular walking.
Area for people. Walking, running, cycling. You see there are boats over here.
That is at NDA. It's called NDA Peacock Bay.
Okay. How do you know?
I studied the map.
Oh.
I think that's why it's all fenced, because this water is used by NDA people to do marine engineering, not marine engineering, Navy, Indian Navy training. See, it will be, see, combat ready. What is it written?
Credible and cohesive.
Mango plantation.
Where is that?
Here, see these mango trees.
Oh yeah. Drive slow, work in progress. Looks like they're making a road or something. Or maybe a bridge or something.
Tunnel.
Oh, tunnel they're making.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
where is the tunnel?
Tunnel in the making.
Yeah, it's a big tunnel.
Yeah. Hey, look at that car.
This Camper Gold. Camper Gold doesn't come in 4x4.
4x4.
They're making a big highway over here. What road is this?
I don't know. I think it'll be connecting to the city or something. That
Oh, it might be a part of that ring road, Pune.
Possible.
Because we are pretty far from the main city.
But all of a sudden the greenery is gone.
Gone as in they've cut all these trees and
No, I'm
places.
saying we were seeing all trees and plants around, and all of a sudden it's like all dry land. We're going to come back the same road.
No. We're gonna come from the main Kadakosla road.
Okay. That powered over. No.
No? Siagarh Kadakosla.
Okay.
Mutha.
What is Mutha?
गाँव. See Pirangut right, Mutha is left. Mutha गाँव से वो river का नाम आता है ना, Mutha, Mula Mutha.
Mulla Mutha. Right. So this is
See
the
this?
main road?
We would have come from here if you would have come from Pirangut to Paur. 10 kilometers from here. So I think from here we should get traffic. Or not. Never know. This road is so bumpy. That road which was expected to be bumpy was much better.
How many kilometers more?
Reached 290 meters.
See here it is wall.
This is it. Viewpoint. Apparently this is sunrise point. From here you can see sunrise.
Oh, big it is. Very big.
And it's apparently a very small one. Still
This is there's
so
a
big.
leakage. You saw?
Somebody mentioned there are a lot of cracks on it. It's very
Oh
risky.
my god. But it's okay. A lot of people, Valentine's Day effect. So finally we have reached Temgar Dam. This is the point, a viewpoint you can say. There are so many people here. This side is very beautiful. The water is very clean. So where are we going next?
Lavasa.
So now we will go for breakfast because both of us are hungry.
But I doubt there'll be any place over there.
No, we'll get something.
Lavasa is close by only. Maybe 10-15 kilometers. Half an hour.
So many bikers. Come, let's go.
34 minutes, 17 kilometers.
17 kilometers to
Lavasa.
Lavasa. Go ahead, we'll come down walking. Chal park here.
We can touch the water, I think.
It's like a mini waterfall.
Mini and major. Nice.
Oh, nice water. So what you see over here is actually not a waterfall. What is it? What do you say?
Yeah, it doesn't look like a natural waterfall, but
I think this is
Might
the water coming out from the dam.
no, that was that other stream. This is, I think, some leakage or some water coming from the end of the dam.
Yeah, possible.
It's not a proper opening,
So there's a huge turn over here.
but it looks very nice.
It
Water is
looks, yeah, it looks very nice. And especially this part where this water is flowing down, this part. Very beautiful. Something very unusual to see in the month of February in Maharashtra. You get to see such waterfalls only in the month of like June to September, you can say, in the rainy season. So, waterfall in the month of February. I think this is throughout the year. This one.
Maybe, yeah.
So now we'll go to Lavasa. But if we see something nice in between, we'll again stop.
So many cars.
There is a center, like a learner's license center or something over there. Oh, this side is beautiful. Landslide.
शंभर पर हेड का असं
नाही, गाडीवर असतं. टू व्हीलरला 200, फोर व्हीलर
500.
तुम्ही गोरेला डब्बुरांना मोकळा काय लागला?
So here it is written, "Welcome to Lavasa." It is actually like a haunted city, Anush. Look at the entrance.
चल sit. 10वे.
What is Daswe?
10वे is the name of the area. What could have been?
Yeah, I know. Where are we going to? That lakeside or what?
That's the only point we can go. You can spend a whole day over here, go on different lanes. We just came from like this first court, second court, which you were seeing. People, you can go inside. Nice actually.
The most happening place in Lavasa is this bridge.
Hey, you can see the river also.
But you have to stop and then see.
See, proper building with shops. Imagine this road. When they must have planned as a full busy road, busy area. Big roads,
Conventional center is so big. Lavasa International Convention Center.
What's up with this? What is this?
Some iron rods.
What is this?
They wanted to build something but it didn't work. This is also completely isolated, as in it's a abandoned
Midway.
apartments. Yeah. It reminds me of that what is that place? Rishikesh place we had gone.
Beatles ashram.
Beatles ashram. This is like modern version of it.
अन्ना डोसा. हाँ, ये देखा था मैं. चल इधर जाने का अपने को.
So we've come to a place where there are restaurants. So we'll eat something. It's not crowded at all. Oh, now how to go? This thing is always confusing for me. Yes, I got it. We parked our bike over there. And today, for a change, we are not taking our helmets. We have locked it there on the bike. So now it's time to eat some breakfast and then go to the next place. Tourist Information Center. And what is over here? So there are these nice benches where you can sit and chill. Hey, we'll go there. That's best. Under the tree. So we've come here to celebrate Valentine's Day. Me and Anuj celebrating Valentine's Day, and this is the 15th Valentine's Day.
Out of 15.
We've not celebrated a single one. It's like a cliche even to say that it is Valentine's Day. This is so nice. We'll sit on this bench. There are these nice figs, but then these figs might land up on your head, so it's better not to sit. I'm crushing it with my boots, so I'll walk this side. Look at this tree in that pot. Huge it is. Very nice place actually, because there are less people. I'm enjoying that vibe. Imagine this place being crowded. That will be so horrible. Yeah, water is very less. What is it?
Levi and Ollie had eaten there. This is come here.
It's active.
American style.
No, it's open.
See the nice. There's those kind of seats.
Yeah. What is this? Dog sleeping so peacefully. I like this pot. We should get one for Dad. he can do like farming inside it.
You need a crane.
To even take it. It's stone, I think. Stone. Yeah. Or cement. Chor Bazaar. No, Bazaar it is. Chor Bazaar. What is it? Tikka town.
See, these were the places which you're supposed to go. Sadaka, Pastime, Tikka Town, Chaat Wala.
Nothing is there now. Only a few are there. I think these are more of dinner places. Evening it will start, I think. It's too early, na? So we walked a little bit and we've come to this place. It is Anna Dosa Gruha. So you get dosas and idlis over here. So we're gonna eat from here. I think our bike is parked over there. See those 3 bikes you see? I think it's parked over there. So we walked this entire aisle. We went till the end of it. There's like we could see boating and everything. And then we came back. So now we're gonna eat breakfast. Actually walking is a big problem because of this. It's very difficult. It's very, very stiff. So it's not like walking shoes. Very difficult to walk. So, but when you're on a bike, you feel perfect. But when you walk a little bit, it pains. So anyway, we're going to eat and we're going to go to the next place, which is Panchit Dam. Anush is here with my idli. Nice you're looking with the biker jacket and idli in your hand.
Idli wala. It's not exactly hygienic, but
It's okay, I'm hungry. So we are done with idli. Now Anush is getting dosa. Dosha rather, not dosa. Dosha. Thank you.
tip.
Tip, I'll tip you later. We were in Lavasa. We had breakfast from there. Now we are going to Panchit, and there's a nice spot over here where we can see a very beautiful view of the lake. Not the lake actually, the reservoir. So we stopped here. I think it's around 12 o'clock now and it is extremely hot. So we can't just ride continuously. We'll have to stop in between. So we have come ahead of Panchit, as in we crossed the dam, and there is a very good place over here where the water flow is very heavy. So our intention is to go and sit next to the water for a few minutes and then we'll return. Oh, very nice.
So our ride is coming to an end. Our home is just 20 to 25 kilometers from here. So I hope you enjoy this ride. Nothing special, it's just some random places we visited. So we'll see you in the next vlog.